Welcome to Android Studio Setup Walkthrough for Mac. To get started, go to developer.android.com/studio. Then click Download Android Studio. For you to download and use Android Studio, first you have to read and agree with Google's terms and conditions. If you agree, press the checkbox and click Download Android Studio for Mac. Then it will start downloading the installer file for Android Studio. Here is the list of system requirements for Mac. To know what version of macOS you're currently running, click the Apple logo at the top left corner, then go to About this Mac. And then you will see what macOS version your Mac has. After downloading the Android Studio installer, click on it. Then drag the Android Studio icon to the Applications folder. For configuration, launch Android Studio from your Launchpad. Once opened, it's going to tell you that it is missing Android SDK, or Software Development Kit. Click Next. You can change the Android SDK location to your liking, but for now, we will stay at its default location. Make sure your Mac has enough space to install the necessary files for Android development. Then, it will start downloading its necessary files for Android development. Once it's done, click Finish. If you will going to utilize Kotlin as your programming language, make sure that it's plugged into your Android Studio. To verify, go to Configure and Plugins. From there, you should see Kotlin under the installed category. If not, type Kotlin on the search bar, then click Enable. Now that we have configured Android Studio, let's create our first new project. From here, we are prompted to select a project template. We will be selecting the empty activity. In this project, we will name this My First App. With its default information and settings, we finish the configuration for the project. If you want, you can change the location of the project anywhere according to your liking. But for now, we will stick to its default location. After creating our first project, we would wait for Android Studio to check what is needed. As you can see, the software interface shows that Gradle started downloading. You can see its status at the bottom. Note that this would take a while depending on your internet connection. For more information, please visit developer.android.com/studio/intro.